Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking all about how to handle a messy hairstyle for today. I know my hair is not messed up, but it's old, so we can say how, to handle a old hairstyle, messy hairstyle, up-to-date hairstyle. First thing I like to go in and say is I like to use my flat irons, if I'm going out and I have to run errands or something like that. I'll use my flat irons to just style it up just a little bit, or I'll use my scarf just to throw on my head or something like that. I'll use this, and I'm just going to be showing you guys exactly how I, style it up just to, run a little bit of errands for today, or, if you're just going to work and you got to rush to go do, a job or something, or if you have to, if you're a boss or something, you're trying to hurry up and rush out the door to go handle some business and come back home, do something just to rush out the door or something like that. I don't know. As you guys know, I love taking my wig off at night, so yeah, leafage at the top because my wig is falling off. But today we're gonna be talking all about how to rearrange your 27 piece and make it look top notch, make it look luxury, or make it look like something like we just stepped out of the beauty shop. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing that. I did go in and get this scarf from the beauty supply, and these are only like $8.99, so I can wear this as a shirt, or I can wear this as a head scarf, like a dressy luxury head scarf. Can also name this too, so nobody knows. See how it just looks really nice? You don't have to really do too much to your hair. So I like to go in, sorry guys, but I like to just use like a rubber band or something just to wrap around here. I want to actually use one of these, like a little holdage thing on my hair. For the ladies that don't wear like a makeup or anything, you can just still throw some heat on it and call it a day. And then add some, oil sheen on there just to freshen it all up. And just to give a spark to your 27 piece. So sometimes I will like, switch my wigs out just to give it a little, taste. Even if you leave it like this, super duper cute. Put it nice and flat, and then I will give me some silk scarves, flat around the front of my hair, and wear it like that, or have some waves in the front. Use a little bit of mousse and spray my hair, and wear out the door. And this is just something that I will wear. Give me some pretty little bangles or something like that, and wear out the door. And that's just how I wear my hair. But this is cute. This is how I wear my hair. Handling a messy, 27 piece. It's very snug and tight. What do you guys think? A lot of different color silk scarves will be cute, especially if it's like, long and not short. I picked out the long ones, really cute, especially for the summertime. And I will be rocking these for the summertime if I don't want to, mess with my hair and it's old or something like that. I kind of just feel like this will be a quick little do that I will wear. Move my hair to the side, and girl, I'm luxury. Nobody will know.
No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back.
looks when my hair is like all wild and then my hair is literally lifting up. Nobody would never know if your hair is like lifting up or you have like your wig lifting up in the back. You want a silk scarf, a long one though, a long silk scarf, and that'll be that. So this is another silk scarf that I got, and guys, you would never know I got the ones that's the luxury. So we're gonna get this one. I choose this. See, look how it just folds like beautiful, and it won't show any type of liftage or, you know, nothing. If your hair is wild and, you know, you can't do nothing at the moment, throw you on a little scarf, and girl, when I tell y'all, this is just something that I will wear, especially wearing you like a beautiful dress. Yeah, this is just something I'll wear. So look at that, especially wearing your 27 pieces or, you know, your short pixie cuts. It's cute. With your little beautiful bangles. What do you guys think about this one? It looks kind of like a luxury. That's what we're going for. Luxury. Cute. Wear your beautiful long dress with this. Look how long it is. This is how long it is. Cute. Can't go wrong with the silky long scarf. You gotta find you some silky long scarves. Like, you just literally have to open it up to see if it's long, and it'll hide like the back, and just let it hang. That's what I kind of just feel like. Just let it hang, and you know, it'll be beautiful. But this is just the next one. This is the next one. What do you guys think? Pretty. See the zebra print on there, and then a little tiger print. Very elegant, very, you know, that's what I was given. Elegant and beautiful. I like to be different. I got some, you know, elegant type of scarves, and I saw some that was plain and I didn't want them, so I put them back. With me, if I had some curls on the front, I would literally wear this and have me, you know.
Girlfriend, so I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend.
I like scarves that don't look like a scarf.
Girlfriend.
This is the next one. And this is how it looks. Has some beautiful flowers on here that I will wear. I'll probably wear me some different earrings than these, instead of having the short wig. Having the short ones, the short little, these I will wear a long one, and I like these. Super duper cute. And it hides like the back if you're having your hair lift up or anything. It just hides it, and it's just, you can run your errands like that. You can run a lot of errands with just throwing you on a loose, beautiful scarf, which is just how I would wear my hair. What do you guys think about it? And it stops right down like that.
So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. But that is not me. So give it up. Haven't you had enough?
That's the end of this video. I was just giving you guys a lot of different ways to work with messy hair, or, you know, different types of hairstyles. So let me know down in the comments down below, what do you guys think about this video. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Did I already say that? I think I did. But make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel. That lets me know that you guys want to see more 27-piece hairstyles, pixie cut hairstyles. And yeah, moving along with the video. See how these bangles are? was connected to the scarf, and I was like, I need to get that because maybe I want to connect it to, you know, something. So I'm like, yeah. So these are all the scarves that we're gonna be using today. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna be using these. And I'm also gonna be using this that I got on my head.
I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, and I never wanna be your